Hello everyone! Добро дошли на наш канал or welcome back to our channel.
Yan, we're harvesting a tomato. Yeah, it's okay now like that. Check more. No, that one. Only red, sweetie. You know that only red I like. Only red. You're gonna pick. Check where are the red tomatoes. Here, carrots. Carrots. Medyo maliit pa siya guys. Pero okay na siya. Carrots. Don't take that one. Ayun na tomatoes. The red tomatoes. Pick all these red tomatoes.
Mommy, Papa needs to take the onions. Papa needs it.
Yan. Wala ako to take this red tomatoes. Oh my God. Wait. It's not that one that I mean. Can you hold my mobile, please? Oh my God. What I mean here. Should be cut. To make damage the stem. Wala ako, Bella, if you...
There's one more!
Is it red already?
But there's a hole on it. You see, there's a hole.
Oh, no, that's one is okay. Can you...
There's more. There's this.
Yeah, it's okay now, that one. You can take. Wala ako, sweetie. Thank you for helping me, Sharka.
There's maybe
The another side. Let's go another side. Come on.
Yes!
Where? Okay. Follow streak ko.
Oh.
To. Usme. Paradajz. Tu.
Nema struja.
Nema struja do 2 sata.
Da, 2 sata. Okay, let's go another side.
Go on the other side.
Ayan. No. If it's green, no. Only red, I told you. Go on that side. Did you see?
I see.
Yeah. There is more there. Wala ako, don't throw.
Where's one more?
That one, another one. That one. Just don't throw, sweetie. Wala ako. Tututan. Nema? There's still flower there, you see? Still flowering, so it means fruits is still coming. You see? It's still flowering. So it can bear more fruits this. Here. That one. The pinkish.
This one.
That.
Oh.
Pula ko. Hold the stem. Yeah. Okay, it's enough. It's big.
You need that
It's also
one, Mommy.
long.
You need that one.
My ampalaya, but later I'm gonna pick that.
Mommy, you like that?
No, I don't need that one. This one. That one, it's okay, that one. Maybe I need to take some...
Maybe they see more here. They see more.
I want Swiss chard. Ay, there's one more big. But pula ako, sweetie. Up. Just don't throw, okay? Pula ko to put it down. Okay. Just take some Swiss chard and we will put in sinigang. I will make sinigang today for you guys. Don't take all like that.
Yes, mommy.
Put in the this one. Easy. Yeah, it's okay. Just put on top. This one is good for sinigang, Swiss chard. Maybe I will check also. Maybe I will just make pancit because we have a lot of veggies there. So I'll just put this one. I don't have cabbage, but instead of cabbage, I will use this Swiss chard also. I forgot to buy cabbage yesterday. Put it there. Ah, yeah. You can pick one, this one. One bell pepper. No, the bigger. Check some bigger. This one. Pick some bigger. But pula ako. Maybe it will damage this. Wait. Mama, wait, you need to turn like this. Can you hold?
Give me.
Wait.
Give me.
Balajar ka.
Enough.
There is more here. It's
Enough.
just
I'm not happy.
put it there. Some tomato are not good. Oh. See, they have some damage. Maybe because it's too hot and it's burnt. So this much we're gonna harvest today, guys. And as you see, tomatoes are so big, so huge. So maybe we pick maybe around 3 kilos of tomatoes. And Swiss chard also.
Bye-bye to me.
Well, pepper. What?
Goodbye to me.
So, bye-bye. Thank you for helping me, Sheka, for today. What is that chocolate on your face? Say bye-bye to Say bye-bye to everyone. What you gonna tell to them?
Hi.
Subscribe.
Channel.
Subscribe to my channel. Thank you, Sheka. You're so good daughter. Love you.